Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best power tools for men that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Universal Socket Tools. Looking for the perfect gift for the handyman in your life? The Super Universal Socket Tools is a must-have tool for any man's toolbox. This unique socket can handle a wide array of tasks effortlessly, from fixing household appliances to working on cars or bikes. With 54 individually hardened steel spring pins, it adapts to any shape, size, or angle, saving time and frustration. This universal socket wrench is perfect for home improvement, construction, carpentry, automotive repair, and other household maintenance. It's a practical and useful gift for men, making it the ideal Christmas present for dads, husbands, and boyfriends. Give the gift of versatility with the Super Universal Socket Tools. Moving on at number 4, we have the Super Universal Socket. The Stocking Stuffer's Super Universal Socket is a unique and practical gift for men and women. It automatically adjusts to different sizes and shapes, making it suitable for various tasks such as home improvement, auto repair, and household maintenance. The socket tool comes with a power drill adapter and can handle nuts ranging from 1/4 to 3/4 in size. Made of durable chrome vanadium steel, it can grip different types of nuts, including damaged ones. This versatile tool is not only useful but also amusing, making it an ideal stocking stuffer or gift for birthdays, Christmas, Father's Day, and more. At number 3, we have the Universal Socket Tools for Men. The Universal Socket Tools for Men is a versatile and durable tool that can be used with power tools, hand tools, and mechanical tools. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, this socket wrench is tough and durable. It features 54 super strong steel rods that are individually spring actuated for maximum grip. With a flexible design, it can adjust to grip standard 1/4 to 3/4 and metric 7mm to 19mm nuts and various other objects. The socket comes with a power drill adapter, making it compatible with most electric drills and screwdrivers. Its efficient design allows you to easily move between different types of fasteners without changing sockets, saving you time and improving work efficiency. Perfect for home improvement, construction, auto repair, and more, this universal socket wrench is a great gift for dads on special occasions. At number 2, we have the Super Universal Socket Tools. Looking for a versatile socket tool that can replace an entire set? Check out the Super Universal Socket Tools. This handy tool can instantly adjust to any size or shape, making it suitable for a wide range of fasteners from 1/4 to 3/4 and metric 7mm to 19mm nuts. With a power drill adapter, it can be easily connected to most electric drills and electric screwdrivers. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, this socket is tough enough to handle different types of fasteners without changing sockets. It's perfect for home improvement, carpentry, auto repair, and more. Whether it's a gift for a loved one or a practical addition to your toolbox, the Super Universal Socket Tools won't disappoint. And finally at number 1, we have the Supergrip Socket Power Drill Adapter. Looking for a versatile and practical tool? The Universal Socket Tool is the perfect choice. This top-value socket comes highly recommended and is also featured in the top Christmas gift guide. Designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind, the universal socket can automatically adjust to fit any size or shape, making it suitable for a wide range of screws, nuts, bolts, and other objects. With its power drill adapter, you can easily connect it to electric drills, electric screwdrivers, and manual ratchets. Made with durable chrome vanadium steel, this socket ensures a firm grip and is suitable for various DIY projects. It's the perfect gift for men or women who enjoy working in construction or doing home improvement tasks. Get your universal socket tool today and make your toolbox complete.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.